Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. I'm inside the showroom checking out an absolutely gorgeous 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme convertible with the 442 package. As many of you may know, in 72, for whatever reason, Oldsmobile got rid of the VIN designation for a 442. So it's hard to tell on a 72 if something was originally a 442 or not. We believe this car was originally offered as a 442 package, but it was originally a 350 small block car. Absolutely gorgeous restoration done between 2004 and 2006. And at that time, the owner decided to upgrade this car to a big block 455, 4-barrel, correct for the 442 package. That was an optional big block upgrade. So this one's got the 455, got the Ram air hood, all kinds of options. This car was originally green, according to the trim tag, and at the time of restoration, or possibly before that, it was changed to another original color called Flame Orange Metallic, and it's a beautiful color. The paint and body on this car are absolutely gorgeous. I want to give you a quick walk around tour. Just super straight body, absolutely rust free. Again, the restoration now is going on about 15 years old. Really hard to believe given the condition of this car, but very few miles were put on it. Originally, we believe this was a Florida car. Then a gentleman from Minnesota purchased it, and that's who did all of the restoration, or that's the gentleman who had the restoration done. Extensive receipt history of all the restoration work that will go with the car, and you'll see in our pictures in the listing. Again, check out how straight that body is, and the paint on this thing is gorgeous. No orange peel, great reflection. All your chrome, trim, suspension parts, everything was redone. Just beautiful restoration. As you can see, it's got the parchment white interior. Is in beautiful condition. I think there is a receipt for right around $6,000 of all the interior parts that were replaced in this car, and it was all done right. Sitting on a great set of Firestone Firehawk radials on the original sport style wheels, painted body color. And these stripes are painted on. These are not decals. They're buried under the clear. They look great. Again, your functional Ram air hood with the correct hood locks. So under the hood, like I said, it's got a big block 455 4-barrel. It's also extremely highly optioned, this car. So obviously, power steering, power brakes. It's automatic with the Hurst dual gate shifter, but it's also got air conditioning. It's got cruise control. It's got power windows. It's got the 8-track. I think I'm hitting everything. It's got a tilt column, so really nicely optioned. The AC currently is not fully functioning. We're gonna see if we can get it charged up and get it working, but as of right now, let's consider the AC is not operational correctly. But who needs AC in this beautiful convertible? Convertible top, you'll see in the pictures, was replaced and is in beautiful condition. It's white also. I'm gonna fire it up and let you hear it running. There's your cruise control button. Little button on the end of the turn signal stalk operates your cruise control. 8-track player also does not seem to be functional, more for looks, although it probably could be working without too much trouble. We'll fire it up. Starts up at the turn of the key once she's warmed up. Very low mileage on the restoration, even though it was done approximately 15 years ago. You know, the correct trumpet dual exhaust, cutouts in the rear bumper. Has a nice tone from the dual exhaust, but very stock sounding. Let you hear it running. This 442 convertible glides on the road like a Cadillac, but it's got plenty of power to get up and go. You're ready to enjoy a 442 convertible this spring and summer. You don't want to miss out on this one. If you've got any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks very much. Good luck.